Follow these easy steps to stream on your Kick using OBS. First of all, log into your Kick account and from your profile photo, just click on settings. And here you have to select stream URL and key. And here you will find your Kick stream URL and stream key. Now go to your OBS Studio and click on settings. Here select video. And here base canvas resolution select 1920 by 1080p, output resolution select 9020 by 1080p, and downscale filter select this option, and common fps value select 60 here. Output, and here select stream, and audio track select 1. Audio encoder select this option. Video encoder select here H.264, and rescale output select here. Disable. Then all you have to need, bitrate select 6000 kbps, and then click on apply and go to stream service. Here select custom. Now go to your Kick and here copy this stream URL. Just click on this eye icon, and now you have to verify your Kick account email address. So go to your mail and just copy the verification code and verify your mail. And then you will be able to copy the stream key. Once you copy it, go back to your OBS and just paste here your Kick stream key. Again, go back to your Kick, and now this time copy your stream key and paste your stream key in this field. Now just click on apply and click on OK. Now it's time to add our video sources here. So click on this plus icon to create new source. And here I'm selecting window capture. And just go ahead and add here your window, which window you want to add to your Kick live. You can resize the window, and that's how you can go ahead and add multiple video sources, and you can also add here your audio sources just like this. Once you successfully added all of your sources, it's time to go live. So just click on start streaming. Once you're successfully connected, now go back to your Kick, and now this time click on your profile photo and just click on creator dashboard, and you directly jump into your Kick stream dashboard. So here, as you can see, my OBS live streaming is now showing in my Kick. That's how you can go live on Kick using OBS.